Okay, so watching this video, and it blows my mind of where this lady's brains really are. Okay, let's watch.
Are mammals, right? Yeah, dogs are mammals. They're humans, or no, they're not human. They're part of the animal kingdom that God created. I love you, Jesus. But then I wonder, like, okay, dogs can't talk. So do they have brains? Like,
Let's think about this. Dogs cannot talk, no, but they do have reactions to everything, and they bark. So that's kind of talking. Let's continue.
yes, they walk, but it's because we're telling them to walk. Just like if I were to tell my computer to turn off, it would turn off. Like, it doesn't mean make a...
No, if you tell your fucking computer to turn off, it's not gonna turn off. It's still gonna stay on until you press the goddamn button. Let's continue.
Computer has a brain. Do you know what I mean? So they don't talk, and then so someone's like, no, they have brains, and I was like, okay, but they can't talk. So what? How do you explain that? I love all God's creatures, and I see, other human beings, and I can just find so much love for them. But I'm so terrified of dogs. I'm so beyond scared of dogs that I actually will, go on a different sidewalk or go out of my way to avoid dogs because they're scary. And so then I think, is this, Christian intuition saying this is not a creature of God? I don't know. But the main thing is I think we're all a little confused at, and if you guys can shed light, I would be really interested to hear what you think, if dogs have brains or not, and can it scientifically be proven?
Can it be scientific? Mason, come here.
What?
Come here. Come here. Look at this camera. Look at this camera. Do dogs have brains?
Yes.
Thank you. Miles, please come here.
What?
Do dogs have brains?
Yes.
Okay, so my 7-year-old and my 10-year-old son clearly know that dogs have brains. I'm pretty sure if I asked my 10-month-old son if he could talk, wait a minute. He has a brain, but he can't talk. Is he human, or is he a different creature? I don't know. Let's finish this.
It's a serious issue. It's a serious question, because if they're not human or they don't have brains, why are they on this earth? Is it, is there life on another planet?
Okay, now that video.
These are all
talking random stuff.
questions you have to consider when asking these things, and I don't want to get too philosophical.
What? Oh hell, I'm not watching that shit again. So please tell me if do dogs have brains, people? Please please tell me this. That's all I've got for that. That bit. She's stupid.
See you later.